for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Flash flood watch in effect through Thursday afternoon. Low pressure will move northeast from the Tennessee Valley through the Ohio Valley tonight into Thursday. As it does, a cold front will slowly push east through the area. Widespread showers and embedded thunderstorms are expected with this weather system. The air mass is very moist, so the potential for
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Carkersville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Heath, Granville, Newark, Utica. In addition, Hebron, Harbor Hills, Alexandria, Granville South, Fredonia, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, St. Louisville and Hanover are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 123 and 139. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.